Years of colonial reign has brought the people misery, it has left them such pain. The talk is now of independence, you see. Seems it wasn't meant for you or for me. As strangers we came, slave trade was the game. And ever since we don't even know our name. Our heritage we must remember, and all that they did to mother and father. So people, people, for what it's worth, demands your freedom here upon earth. Stop asking when, where, and how. Make up your mind, the time is now.
I am the true way, the truth, and the true light. I am your culture, your religion, your spirituality, your destiny, your deity. Yes, your deity. I'm in one with nature and the universe. If you ascend or descend, you'll see me. If you look east, west, north, or south, you will find me. I am the Almighty, the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, the conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah, our elect of God, omnipotent. I am the anointed. I was anointed with a 7 hours of ancient prescription. I am the ancients of days. I rule the scepter, the ark of the covenant, the Imperial lancer, the golden globe of the earth. I am Earth's rightful ruler, the Pope of Trinity, the sun, the moon, the stars, the eat, the air, water, land, sky, sea, father, mother, child, prophet, priest, king, earthquake, lightning, thunder, everlasting, ever living. I'm in one with Buddha, Allah, Krishna, Horus, Osiris, Imhotep, the fairest amongst the Dogon. Ethiopia is my blood, Egypt is my heart. I fashion the Sphinx, the pyramids, the temples of Lalibela. I am the I am, the all-in-one, the one in all.
Now the Rasta man come from Buzz Rock, with his garment dipped in blood. Came from Buzz Rock with his garment dipped in blood. Came from Buzz Rock with his garment dipped in blood. Look at that Rasta man, the robe in red. He looks so dread. I dance to bingy sound and him robe so red. He looks so dread. Him from Buzz Rock with his garments dipped in blood. Sing it out, Tata children. From Buzz Rock with his garments dipped in blood. The man they no have no mother. The man they no have no father.
to see your rising sun. Said I will shine on me. Said all my strength in my beholder. You hold up close to me. You carry me upon your shoulder. To be your living free. I am alive. I do my time. I set my mind out to God alone. To God alone, I do my time. To God alone, I surely strive. God alone, Yahweh alone. Show you how you like to cry.
Your fingers are golden pen, says each and every man. Remember, Creator man said, yes, cause if you wanna be present on eternal day, you can do that. Your fingers are golden pen. Now his foundation is in his holy mountain. Haile Selassie I sits upon his throne, writing the words with his pen. It's like a fountain, knowing it lives in my heart forevermore. I tell you, say your mind have to be clean and your heart have to be pure. If you ever wanna enter through Zion door, your mind have to be clean, your heart have to be pure. If you wanna write your name up there, remember what Creator man said. Yes, cause if you want your soul to save on eternal day, you got to touch your finger on your golden pen to write the name up there. You got to touch your finger on your golden pen, says each and every man. My brother, my sister, believe me what I say. Yes. Brother man, with your golden pen. So take the bird, the bees and the trees, even take the waves and the mist of the sea, and take the sun, the earth and the moon. Haile Selassie say, Marco Coronation. Yes, if you know, you heard I never do, you were. Yeah, yes, you got to touch your finger on the golden pen to write your name up there. I say you got to touch your finger on the golden pen, says each and every man. Remember who Creator man said, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Remember what Jehovah man said. Remember what Creator man said. Yes, cause if you wanna be present on eternal day, you got to write the name up there.